Before I get to the purpose of this video, I just wanted to show you this. And the reason I want to show you it is I want to ask a question. Can you remember this bridge during the typhoon? Let's just remind you. Look at this, guys. This is a bridge just 10 minutes up the road in Camaligan, right next to us. This bridge is in Camaligan. It's where the floating restaurant is. They've just built this. I don't know what the purpose of it is going to be, but there's kids in there and Christmassy things today. So I'm guessing you remember the bridge a bit now. So there's the floating restaurant. Look, if you're ever in Naga, I can highly recommend you come into the floating restaurant when it brings you back. There's usually entertainment inside there, but normally on a weekend, not normally during the week. Right guys, this video is basically to thank all my subscribers, all the people that support the channel financially, obviously, my members and my Patreon. Thank you so very much. It's been a godsend to me. I can't describe how appreciative I am, and I want to just thank you from the bottom of my heart and wish you a very Merry Christmas, and let's hope 2026 is a better year than 2025, and especially if you've been struggling yourself in any way, shape or form. Now, just before I go, this is just a very quick thank you video, and I'll give you my thank you Christmas card I made specially for you. I just want to say, keep tuned guys, because 2026 is going to be completely different, and a lot of you are going to be shocked. If I go dead for a little while, please bear with me. There's another video coming up. There's another video just before I go, and there's going to be some kind of Christmas video, I think. So stay tuned and don't miss what's going to happen in 2026, because like I say, for a lot of you, you'll be very shocked. So please subscribe, please hit that like button, always watch my videos to the end guys, please. I think on the statistics, more than 56% that watch the videos aren't subscribed. I understand, but it would help the channel out a lot, and especially with what's happening in 2026. Try and get me over 28,000 subscribers guys. I've been stuck in limbo for a very long time, and again, I understand, but please try. Bless you. Thank you so much. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and we'll see you on the next one.